Yeah, yeah. Explain the code, Rashmita. I told na staff. We have a parent from the teacher, officer, typist, or the three derived class, and from the typist we have two more derived class. That is permanent employee and temporary employee. Yeah, it's over to Rashmita.
Starting from header file, include IOStream to for C++, for C out and C in, and for conio.h for first character, like for name, and then using namespace std, then sorry ma'am, and then class staff, which is the, you can say, parent class. Then enter the code in staff. I have put, now 1 second, I'm ma'am.
Yeah, I'm listening only.
Ma'am, in class staff, that is, you can say, parent class, then I've kept it public. That code in staff, you have given code name, I've kept it public. Then void staff, I have get to operator, that is cout. I have put enter the code. Then using cin statement for put to operator, I have then after that I have printed the statement name of code equal to anything which you want to put. Then class teacher, which is the subclass, which is a derived class, which is being inherited, from staff class. Then it is public. All the name, qualification, last institution which I have kept last, subject which the teacher is teaching, then number of publications and years you have studied. So void teacher, it is a return type. So cout, enter the name of teacher, then enter educational qualification, enter last institution she worked, enter the subject, number of years worked, number of publications. Then I have printed it itself there itself. I have printed it there. I mean, once again, putting the cout statements, I have printed all the things in a sequence wise. And then class officer, that is also a derived class. Uh, class officer colon public staff to access the, um, that is the derived class. Public care name for the, we have care name, qualification, grade of the officer. I've initialized it. Then void officer. Then I have put name of the officer, qualification, enter grade using cout and cin statement. Then I have again printed it in a sequence wise so that it will look good. And then class typist, it is also a derived class, which is inherited from staff class. Then all the members, that is name and qualification, speed, I have kept it public, and void typist also I've kept it public. Then cout and cin statement, cout, enter the name of typist, then qualification, number of words per minute the typist writes. Then again I've printed it using cout statements itself there only. Then class regular, which is getting derived from typist class typist. So here also account, here I have in class regular I have put accountant name, like all the members of the institution, like some of them like watchman, junior accountant, accountant name, handling some of the department. Then cout statement, enter accountant name, then enter watchman name. Then I've printed it all together. Then I have gone to the next class, that is class casual, public, that is also inherited from the class typist. I mean, typist has two derived class, that is regular and casual. Then I came to class casual, that there I have put the their salaries. I mean the people who all are working. So I've put it, the members have taken accountant salary, watchman salary, junior accountant salary separately, and I have printed it in the void casual. Then again, see out statement once again I put, so that will be looking nice all together. Then in int main, I have created the object for the class casual, regular. Then for typist, typist ty, officer o, teacher t. Then I have called the member functions. Like for teacher, it is t. So t dot staff, so that staff will be what executed. Like it will be called. That is void get marks. It was there. So void, it will ask to put the marks.
Actually, Rashmita, casual, regular, typist, officer, teacher, and all. It all you gave you in capital letter only. Am I correct? That class.
Yes, class I have put capital, then
But
so that no
functions alone
confusion
in
will be there.
small letters.
Function in small letter, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. That's why I got confused. Okay, okay. Run the program. I think you expand the double click on this where I kept my mouse now. After this arrow, this not this one expand portion is there. No, no. Here, my mouse is here, ma. Above the enter code. Yeah. Click on that. Click on. Yeah. Now, students, listen.
Enter the code. It is asking in. It was in void. Void staff. There enter code, and then it put information details.
Information. Enter the code. It may be your code only.
Information. I thought it will be. I didn't know how to frame the program which you gave, so I gave accordingly.
Okay. Name of the code.
Name of the teacher, Pushpavani ma'am.
Okay.
Enter education qualification, BEd.
Okay.
Last institution, SRM University. Underscore SRM University. Name of the subject, computer. Number of years she worked, 10 years she worked there. Number of publication, 5.
So it will
Then
print.
all together it will print, yeah.
Okay.
Then
this you created under the stock class. Am I correct? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Our teacher class. Am I correct? This all information.
Yes, name of the officer Raghuram, enter qualification, PhD. Then enter grade A.
Okay.
Then name of the typist.
Typist.
Sanjay. Name of the typist Sanjay.
Okay.
Qualification is 12th pass. Some underscore we have to put now.
Well, okay. Because she have created the qualification in the character data type. That's why she entering both numerical as well as pass. Otherwise, if you enter integer, it's not possible.
Yes, and then number of words per minute, the typist right is 50. Enter accountant name Rahul. And the watchman name Gopal. The enter junior accountant name, that is and the accountant salary. Now this comes under a casual class. From typist 2 class, that is one regular, one casual. So in casual, I have put the salaries of that person's. The junior accountant salary is 8,000. Yes, ma'am, this much.
Yeah, very good, Rashmita. Actually, She didn't do any tough work here. Just, yeah, go to the program, go to the program. You may expand is there, na? You reduce that, automatically it will reduce. Yeah, go up, ma. She created one class, and under the class she created the variables as well as methods. So first she just entered the code. That's why she put the information and the name of the code and all. So the code is under the character. Okay. So now she created a teacher. Under the teacher, she is getting the variable name, qualification, last name, subject name, everything in character. And when you go for that, publication and year are in integer. So when you see that she's getting 5 to 6 variables in each class. Under the method, she is having only one method. In that particular method, she get all the data and then she printed all the data. That's it. Okay. So under that, you see class, officer is my child class, access specifier is you used public, and my parent class's name is staff. So first teacher class get over. The next officer class. Officer class, she is asking name, qualification, grade, and similar all these things, and then she printed. Then she created one more class, that is typist. I told you it's a hierarchical inheritance. Okay, in the typist, she is asking name, qualification, speed. You all know words per minute. So that's why she asked number of words per minute. Here you have to give only integer. Okay, and then she printed all the thing. Okay, then she went to the two types. So here you should not put public staff, because this regular and casual class comes under the typist class. So class, regular, access specifier, and parent class name is typist. So she gave accountant name. So just she didn't use any complicated something. Very simple coding. I think case study I will upload in LMS. Yeah, good. Enter accountant name, enter watchman name, enter junior name. Then she created one more class, that is casual class, with public typist, and she got all salaries. That's why she declared in integer. Then she printed that. Okay, good, mom, good. And this is the final one to print all the results. I need this. Okay, so if I put it all classes, you all know class name space object name. Then you all know object name dot function name. That is, then only you can able to access all that. Without this main program, I cannot able to do it. Yeah, it's a good work. Somebody had raised the hands. For what purpose, ma? Santosh, Yugadeep, you want to join the breakout room now? Okay, I will put you in the breakout room. Okay, before that, I will share the program to you. This I will upload in LMS. Yeah. Yeah. See, she created this logic only. She created this logic only. Yeah, Morgan Sai, next I will call you. Staff, teacher, officer. So I think she have done it correctly. The same code I will do it. Whatever the thing I am asking now. She put char name of 20. That means I can give only 20, but I have give it in under the data type string. So there is no limitation for that. Okay. But you all know that I gave two functions in each class, get data, display data, but she gave only get data. That's also she can do. Okay, and every time I need not to ask name. I think Rashmita, you may follow this. Staff scope operator, if I give get data, automatically when I run the program, every time the name, age, gender is the common question which I have put it in the parent class. Just I simply ask the name of the subject, number of the paper. That means the code reusability will be get increased. That is the thing. It's clear. Every time you just see staff get data. Similarly, officer also. Same thing I will do it. And you all know for regular employee, you all know that you can create in your creativity. That's why I gave you this, and you all know this is the output. Okay. You have seen that teacher, I have given the data, Murugan, age 40, like that, subject, number of paper published. And when you go with that, similarly, the officer cadre, and then similarly typist cadre. Every time you see age, name, Gender. It is common question. That's why I gave one simple code, parent class name, a scope operator, get data. That means automatically. So I have assigned only these two variable into that particular class. So it is easy for me to access. Is clear? Okay, I will upload this PPT. Actually, this PPT contains one more thing. That is, yeah, train data. Okay. Before that, I don't, Mogan Sai is ready to present the reverse number. Mogan Sai, will you share the screen? I think some of the students have raising the hand. I'm sorry to say, Santosh, I think so. Santosh, will you raise it once again? If possible, I will. Mogan Sai, yeah, will you share the screen, Mogan Sai? Yeah, I will move you. Yeah, others, we see very simple code, I think. I'm expecting this type of coding only. Yeah, you start speaking, ma. Yugadeep, I have moved you. Santosh, will you rename it with EC? Okay, I will try. Yeah, I moved it. Yeah, Mogan Sai, Santosh, I have moved you. Yes, Mogan Sai, you may unmute and talk, ma. He gave, okay, you gave. I think the same reverse number, I think he is explaining. Mogan Sai can't able to speak. I think it's your program. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think Mogan Sai.
Hello,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. You may
It's
speak.
for 4 digits and it's for.
Once again, Mogan Sai. Santosh, I already moved. You join in room 1. Okay. Yeah, you continue.
It's for 4 digits, madam, reverse. And it's for 9 digits. First, I will explain 4 digits, madam.
Okay.
Using namespace std. Int A, B, C, rev. A, B, C are the allocation cases. You can keep anything. C out, enter the number. C in to the rev. A equal to rev modular by 10. It's the remainder symbol. Suppose we give A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. It's modular by 10. Then A equal to 4. Again, rev equal to rev divided by 10. It's for coefficient. Rev equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10. Then rev will be 1, 2, 3. Again, it's allocated to B. B equal to rev modular by 10. Then B will be 1, 2, 3 modular by 10 equal to 3. B will be 3. Rev. Again, rev, what is rev? Here 12. It's allocated to C. 12 modular by 10. Then C will be 2. Again, it's a rev 112 will allocated to here. It will be coefficient 1. Then here we will get A into 1000 plus B into 100 plus C into 10 plus rev into 1. These are the places, which means 4 will be in 1000 place, B in will be 100 place, C will be in 10s place. I will run, man. If we give 1, 2, 3, 4, it's only for 4 digits. The reverse number will be 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
If it's for 9 digits, you may go using while. Int and reminder reverse equal to 0. C out, enter number, C in it's enter to the n, while n not equal to 0, not equal to 0, remainder equal to n, which we give n 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 modular by 10, which means remainder equal to 9. That remainder will come to here, reverse number into 10 plus remainder. Here reverse equal to 0. We initialize reverse equal to 0. So reverse equal to 0. Here reverse into 0 plus remainder plus remainder. Then reverse will be 9 and n equal to divide by 10. And n will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again it allocate to again while n not equal to 0, up to it allocate to that. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 modular by 10, then remainder will be 8. Remainder will be 8. Then again reverse will be 8. Then what will be then? Will be 1 2 3 4 5 7. Again it allocate to remainder, it will be process.
Yeah, I think yeah, you first do it for 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 alone. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. I think this only yeah, take that program.
Run, ma'am.
No, not this program, that program. Yeah, this program you may do it for 4-digit also. 1 2 3 4 alone you give, run the program, because the same logic we followed in C to reverse the number. Okay, and that program he have showed now 4 3 2 1. Okay, this particular program can do it for from 2 to 9 digit, it's possible. But when you go with the other program, it is possible to only do for 4 numbers. If you give more than 4 or less than 4 number, it won't work, because what he did now, every time he's getting the reminder and then dividing the value and finally he's multiplying. Actually, this is the process. This is valid for only 4 digit. But the next program here, Shona, that is the generalized program. I think I have to appreciate you, Mohan Sai, but because you have done and you have explained well for that 4-digit program. This process only he put it in while n not equal to 0. There he put it and we have explained. I think anyone having the doubt on this? See, in C++, the coding while control statements, everything will be logic also same thing. Okay, particularly here we don't need any class and object. As for, are you clear on that? So at that time, only main program to reverse the number. I think he can do it. You may execute for 9 digit. I think I have stopped you.
Ma'am, why in for loop we can't do like that? Instead of while, like it was not taking the first digit in while, in for loop.
For loop while, go to that compiler now.
Using for loop
tab.
I did, so first digit does not takes.
Yeah. For loop we cannot do it. We can use it only while loop only, because while loop n not equal to till, because while till reversing we are getting the remainder and then we are getting that remainder value and we are multiplying now. So I think better we have. I think while I'm teaching in C also, I have used the same statements. Okay, the control statement while n not equal to 0. That is the 4 line. That's why I gave you. Okay, Rashmita, you did it with for loop.
No, ma'am, did with for loop, then gone for while loop, then gone for while loop, so got all.
Yeah, while loop it will definitely work. Okay, so Mohan Sai, I have to appreciate you. Yeah, good, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. But you all remember that why giving this case study and all, na, everyone or your classmates only. I think I have to ask one question to Mohan Sai. Whether you learned C++ earlier?
No, ma'am.
From this class only you learned the C++.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good for that.
And board, ma'am.
Oh, state board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about Rashmita? Did you learn the programming in C earlier?
No, ma'am. In class 11, 12, only Java we studied. Like basics we were not taught. Like now I'm learning basics.
Yeah, students, listen, don't tell the excuse. They were all studying from their 11 and 12. You may listen the class itself. You can able to do all this kind of programming. Yeah, I think you stop share it, ma. Yeah, I think you do it for which number? Oh, you are doing for 2 numbers. Yeah, good, good. I think he is doing for 2 numbers to reverse it. Delete that C into 10. Yeah, that coding alone. Yeah. Now do it. Three numbers he's doing. Yeah, good, good, good. 321. Yeah, good. I think he's deleting him, but this particular code we cannot able to do it for n number. That's why when you go with the other code, one advantage is we are having only limited. I think we are having only 3 variables that we can do it for 1 number to 2 numbers to 9 numbers is possible. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, ma. Stop share it. Yeah. Okay. I will share my screen. So I think I will put up this case study program for you. I think one more case study, I think I gave you in train. Have anyone tried? Have anyone tried? Train program. Yeah. Okay. Okay, ma, I will explain you the train program. Okay. Once again, you wait, ma. I will share it. Two minutes. Actually, it is in my WhatsApp. Okay, I have put it in one more batch for them. I thought it is in my. I will share it, ma. So I think I will put this in. I think there is a problem on viewing. I hope you are supposed to. Yeah, listen. I have created one case study for train statement. I ask you, create a base study for a train program. So you just look up this. This is the thing I gave you. So I have one parent class. My parent class is train. Okay. Under that, I have created one derived class, that is route. I have to ask all the route and all. Okay. Route is the second derived class. And one more class I have created, that is for reservation. Okay. That is the third class. So, and you all know, this is which kind of example. I have created 3 class. For all the classes, you see, I will annotate. Okay. Okay. So first my class is train. Okay. Second, my class is route. I have to tell me at what route I have to travel and all, my destination and all. Then reservation for you to put it. So I have used which class, which inheritance, ma? Which inheritance I have used from this? Tell me. This is the best example for multi-level inheritance, because train is the parent class and root is the child class. When you move it, root become the parent class and the reservation will become a child class. So for that first, okay, I think I will clear all these drawings. I will show you. Yeah, you just see. I think, I hope you may see. I will show you each class separately. Okay, you all know that include all the header files, class train. Okay, while now I'm getting the train number, that should be in integer, name of the train, and I'm getting all the train number, train name and all. I'm getting the accept information. And then the next class is my route class. Okay, my train ID, source, destination, but that and all in character only. And these are all about the detail, train ID, train and all. Okay, then I move on to the reservation class. The reservation class, I'm asking how many number of seats needed. Okay, and what will be the date, month, year and all. I'm asking at which date you are going to travel, but there is no validation in the class. Okay, and then train class, first class or second class, that kind of class I'm asking. Okay, and all this, when you see, all this are displaying information, entire thing, train number, train name, train ID, source, destination, whatever I have done, I am displaying all the information here. Okay, now you come to our main program. Here in the main program, I have used the array. The first time we are using the array. Why? Because now reservation R of 20. How many detail you want to enter? For example, I am entering for one Kanyakumari Express, and another one I am entering for one Sadabdi Express, and the next I want to entering for Nelle Express. So for that, how many detail it is asking? So you just see the detail they are asking in yes. Okay, yes is nothing but we are given a n number of array. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. That's why here when I see that R of I account detail. Okay, and when you see that this will ask for a train, and this will the three inheritance we have created now. First for train, then for route, then for reservation. So this detail will keep on asking for 3 times. Now I have to enter 3 times. One time now I have to enter for 1 time. That I have to decide it. And finally I have to display RI of display. Then automatically it will display. I think this is the first time we have used the array concepts here. Okay, I think I will execute this program. Monday onwards you have a lab, Amma.
Mute the 21st.
Yes, Monday onwards you
January 21st. Akanda.
What, ma? I think mute yourself. Somebody is talking. Can you able to? Okay, stop share. I think you can't able to see the screen. Okay, I will go with Monday. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Which practical you have, ma? Technology, All youth kindly use the light background. Due to this online classes, we people are suffering a lot. Okay, I think everything is getted and pasted like this. Okay, oh my god, it's very difficult. Okay, using namespace STD. Class train. This is my parent class. Okay, under the parent class, this is my parent class. Okay, I am asking train number, name of the train, Okay, and I have one method. Okay, and in that particular method, again, I am entering the train name, enter the train number. You all know the train number we have declared in integer. So you should not give it in some other information. Train number you have to give it, and train name of the train. Okay, the next class is route. The next class is route, and under the route, I am asking the detail of train ID and then source and destination. I gave maximum 10 only. So you have to give, you have to see that and all. Okay, while you are getting a error, you have to see that and all. The next information, I ask you to print the train ID, source. You all know, while you are booking in IRCTC, I think we hope due to this pandemic and all not traveling, but when you see that all the source, destination, everything will be asked while you're going for any entering the detail. Okay, so this is my route detail get over. Then the reservation detail. So reservation, you all see public train. This is the parent class for route is train. But when I go for reservation, my parent class is route. That's why class, child class name, colon, access specifier. Then once again, I have named it. Okay, I think it's difficult for me. I will. Okay. Then when you move with this, I'm asking the number of seats, date, month, and all. Then class, I'm asking. Okay, whether I have to tell it, which class I have to go. Okay. Then one more thing, the method name is void A. Okay, enter the number of seats. Okay, and then enter the train class, that and all, very simple. And they enter the date and name. Okay, and then this is get over. This is get over. Then entire display, void I gave now. This void is displaying the entire thing. So all this detail will be printed one among another. Okay, I think all these are the cout statement. Definitely it will print one among another. Okay, I think I'm not putting down. Then int main, this is my main program. Okay, under the main program, I have reserve how many seats. Maximum I can book 20. I've seen it. I have created single dimensional array. Maximum is 20 seats, I'm saying. And then I use the for loop. Okay, for loop to get all this information. And another for loop to print that information. Okay, I think I will run the program. If any error is, oh, sorry, I didn't select the language. Any error came? Yeah, enter how many details you want to enter. So I'm saying 2 train details. So just I'm putting 2. So it will ask 2 times. Enter the train number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because I gave it in integer only. Enter the train name. Okay, I will enter Kanyakumari Express. Okay. Kanyakumari. Okay, enter the train ID. Again, I'm giving some train ID. Okay, train source, it is from Chennai. And destination, it's Kanyakumari. Okay, and number of seats, I'm saying 3 seats I need. Train class, I'm saying I need a first class. Date, month, year. You all know 12/1/2020, but it's not validating. One of the students in group 1, he have validated the date and the month. Okay, and again it is asking train number 4567. Okay, and enter the train name. Okay, Nalla Express. And the train ID 345. Okay, and it is asking source where I have to enter Chennai. And destination is Nellai. Okay, and enter the number of seats. 4 seats I needed. 4 seats. And date, month, year 12. Again 3/2022. So when you see that, whatever I gave the information, it is printed. So oh, thank you, students. I think according to the register number, technology and devices are 1, 2 slot for device, 3, 4 slot for technology. Okay, okay. Thank you, students. So you just see I didn't use any of the coding, just to simply use the inheritance, especially the multi-level inheritance, C in C out statements, and declaring the variable and getting the variable and displaying. Okay, so for that, maximum how many detail I can get it? 20 reservation. Can you are able to understand or not? It is about the train detail. Okay. I think the next class, I will share this PPT in the LMS ma. Next class, okay. I will ask you to do one more case study. Okay. I think if possible, if time permits, because all of you busy on your practical exams. I hope the next semester, myself or any staff member will handle for you. But anyway, you are supposed to tell that this C++ also you learn well. Okay, because normally we train the students in C, but this time we are happy to say, I don't know how many of you learn well, but see, this is the next program I am expecting from people, but I will definitely call upon except Mohan Sai and Rashmita. Okay, so you all know it is a single level inheritance. Okay, why? Because now one class is employee and another class is salary. Okay, in the employee class, I have to take the name, ID, and then I have two methods, get data, put data. And in salary, I have to suppose to use the variable like basic pay, HRA, DA, CLA and all. And next function, I have to give the names, calculate salary. Okay, so I have a single, but they ask you to use constructors and all. No need of constructor, because I asked you to use only the inheritance method, because constructors, you have seen one bank statement program I gave you. I think it is at the last of Unit 5 PPT. Unit 5 PPT, and yesterday I thought na standard template library PPT. That is uploaded in LMS for your reference. So you may use it of it. Okay. And one more thing, you kindly, people just take down the snapshot to create this. Whatever I gave, you have to give that only, not more than that. Employee name, employee ID, get data, put data. And the next one is for calculating the salary. So only two class, I think very simple. Employee is one class, and another class is about salary. So I think it's very easy for you to do. Yeah, students, have you all note down? Ma? Okay. Yes, kindly acknowledge it. Then I will stop the screen and end the class for you. Have you all note down? This is not for 1 or 2 students or 10 or 20 students. Everyone has to try it. Yeah, Priya, thank you. Karthik, thank you. Okay, so I think